Hi everyone, it's Ronnie and I'm here with another 2-Minute Tuesday. Today I would like to tell you about a new feature that we added to the search and filtering options on the website version of the program. This is the random recipe button. So we added the random recipe button when you have times when you just need a little bit of a break from thinking about what you want to add to your planner, or if you need a little spontaneity or excitement to the recipes that you're adding to your meal plans. You'll find this button at the bottom of the search and filtering options, just below the without ingredients option. And you can simply hit the random recipe button and it will automatically generate a random recipe from the entire collection of recipes that you have. Or you can apply any and all search and filtering options, and the random recipe that's generated will be based on that search criteria that you entered. You can find more about the random recipe button from the search and filtering options help article, which is linked in the description below, and we hope that this button can add some excitement and some fresh new recipes to your meal plans. See you next time.